Hello guys, this is SarahG and welcome to my channel. This is my little girl Tiffany. So
yeah, I just go to school.
Oh yeah, Ati's in school right now. So like a few minutes ago we saw the FedEx truck and dropped this big box on the front step. So yeah, we're gonna do some unboxing today and I know what it is. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So we ordered this product Sunday, I guess Monday, February 21st. And it's supposed to be delivered yesterday, but something happened. It might be because of, you know, COVID and everything. So yeah, we received it today, so which is a good thing, and we can use it eventually. Are you ready to do some unboxing? Huh? Are you ready to do some unboxing?
Yes.
What do you think is inside the box?
I don't know.
What? You just guessed what is inside the box. Anything? Any guess?
Unicorns?
Unicorns? She just loves unicorns, everything. She just loves unicorns. Okay, we're gonna be very careful because I'm gonna be using scissors, okay?
Yeah, I will stay back.
Okay. See what's inside?
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, let's see what's inside of it.
So,
Big sesame. Big sesame.
I don't know if I can do this like this. Oh yeah, but oh! What is this?
I don't know. What's the?
It's a pillow. It's from the My Pillow.
Oh.
It's my pillow. So we ordered 5.
I want your pillow.
2 for Tatay, and then we have 1 for me, and 1 for you, and 1 for Ate. So this is.
What's this one's for?
Okay. This is for the bed. This is washable and dryable. This is different. Yeah. So I don't know if this one. It says place. Look, can you read this one? Say place the pillow in dryer for 15 minutes before first use. So we're gonna put it on the dryer for 15 minutes. Okay, I don't know if it got to have a different size. It doesn't tell. Oh, this is small or queen size. Small.
I laid down the pillow.
Yeah, this is king because the size of your bed is queen size. This is king size. King size. Where's the king size? The classic. That's for me, you, and Ate. And this one is for Tatay. The king size is for Tatay. So I'm gonna let him open it by himself. Okay, we're gonna put it there. Yeah, just pick one in there. So we're gonna open one. Okay, you're gonna open that one. So we're gonna try to open one, and then we're gonna put it on the dryer. We're gonna open it right now. Okay.
I hope this is a pillow.
So look at this guy, my pillow guy. I can smell the rice cooking right now. We're gonna open it.
We have to open that quickly because the rice is going right out.
Okay, so this is how they pack this. Oh my god, can you help me?
I'll help you. Mom, this is so big.
This is needs some.
Hurry.
You can do this.
Oh, what's this pillow?
Oh, what happened?
Whoa.
Whoa, is this the one?
Yeah, this pillow. I want to lay down on this pillow.
Smell it.
Smells good.
It smells good?
Yeah.
But it says we need to put it on the dryer for 15 minutes. So we're gonna try to put it in the dryer.
But I want to lay down it.
Yeah, but we're gonna put it in the dryer for 15 minutes. Would that be okay? So we're gonna try to put it right now to the dryer. So follow me. Hold this on.
Okay. This is so heavy.
So this is our dryer.
Come on.
Oh, there's Ati's mess in there. So put it in there.
It's so big.
Okay. And then we're gonna set that one. So we're gonna set it for 15 minutes. That's what it says. 15 minutes. We're gonna put it in like time dry. There it is.
See, movie was like a power slide. Keep it uppy.
Okay, come on.
Keep it uppy can't really pop. So.
Go on. Oh. Oh, you almost got it. Oh, okay, one little. Move a little. Back. Okay, stand up.
I'm gonna go down.
Oh.
Got it.
Oh, yay! Practice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
It doesn't bother.
Oh, yay! 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 Good job. Okay, let's check the dryer. What's the problem, doctor?
I have to take care of it.
Is she still alive?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, but he's okay. He's just a toy.
Just a toy? You just said she's just a toy?
Yeah.
Okay, it's done.
Yay, it's done.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Hold it.
Whoa, so beautiful.
Come on.
That dog, yes. We can put it in this
Here.
food.
Okay. Come on, lay down. Lay down on the head. Lay down.
Hey, Mommy, maybe I'm the person who is hurt.
Okay.
Yeah,
Can you
who's-
try lighting it?
Yeah. Oh, it's so comfy.
You like it?
Yeah. Hey, Mommy.
It's so soft.
Hey, Mommy, you're gonna be the doctor. Now be the person who is sick. Why you put me in this bed? They put me in this bed, doctor.
I'm gonna check your... You're good.
Yeah.
You're not hot.
Yeah, but something is put me. But someone's put me in danger.
Somebody's put you in danger.
Yeah, I don't know who.
Cool. You like the pillow?
Yeah, it's so comfy, soft.
Okay, let mommy try it
Yeah,
now.
where is so fussy.
Okay, my turn.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, try it.
Let me try.
Is it comfy? Is it comfy?
Yeah, it's better than my old pillow.
Yeah. Can you get off of it?
I'm gonna lay down with it.
Buy me a pillow.
You need a pillow?
Yeah.
I like this pillow.
Yeah, I like this pillow too.
I like this pillow.
I like this pillow.
I like this pillow.
I like it.
Ah. This one's better.
But this
It's not hard because the one that we have is hard. So yeah, I like this one. Can we keep it?
Yeah, but I want to lie down this too.
Okay.
Yeah.
You lay down. You lay down. I lay down.
Okay, but doctor, why you lay down?
Okay. What if you're my? I'm the patient. You're gonna be my doctor.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. This is comfortable. Yeah, it
Now
looks.
lay down a bit.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay, don't move it. Okay, you're gonna be my doctor. Come on, doctor.
Go.
Come here, doctor.
Okay, you're gonna build your belly.
Okay, doctor. Doosh, doosh. So what's your findings?
Your belly feels okay.
What about my heart?
I'll check.
My heart. Here. Left side.
Still okay too.
My head.
Okay.
It's blurry. Hey, I'm here. Okay. What about my head?
It's still white too.
So what's your finding, Doctor? Look.
Something is very. Something is
Come here.
There is something wrong.
So that means I'm okay?
No, but something is going on. Let's check your hand.
My hand?
Yeah, your elbow.
My elbow?
Yeah, where's your elbow?
There, here.
Oh,
Oh, over here. You can use this one. This one. This side.
Okay.
This side.
It's wearing my money. Let's pretend that it's not very good.
I'm not feeling good, doctor.
Yeah. Yeah, you had to take a rest.
I need to take a rest.
Yeah.
I love that. Thank you.
Yeah, your dog will be here soon.
Huh?
Your dog will be here soon.
My daughter will be here soon.
Yeah, it's gonna be here.
How much it cost me to have this checkup?
It's gonna be, you had to lay down. It's gonna be 10 minutes.
And I had to lay down for 10 minutes.
I mean 3 minutes.
3 minutes. I need to lay down 3 minutes.
Yeah, he will come.
Yeah. 3 minutes.
3 minutes tied up.
Okay. Oh.
Mom!
Oh my goodness, my daughter.
Hey, what's that? Hi!
Hi. Okay, so overall review of the pillow. We like the pillow. We just need to wash it.
Stubby.
Okay, we just need to wash it because I cannot.
It's so soft.
Yeah, the smell. Yeah, it needs
wanna
to.
wait.
It needs to wash. We need to wash it. But overall, she likes it. Tiffy, you like it, Tiffy?
Yeah, I want to wait that one. It's like a power slide.
Okay, so we love the pillow.
Yeah, so kind of soft.
Well, compared to my old pillow, I love this one, right? Because my pillow is
It's
kind of
like
hard.
fuzzy.
Yeah, this one is soft, bouncy.
Yeah, it's look like fuzzy.
So yeah, overall, we like this product and highly recommend it, right? You're gonna
Hey,
recommend it?
Mommy, let's play.
Okay, yeah. And I check it in Amazon. This product is available in Amazon. So I could put the link below on the description so you can check it out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See y'all next time. Bye.
Bye.
Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of deep